Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you on how to create a flowchart using flowgorithm that will accept a name of a person and then it will greet or display the name of a person with a greeting. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Basically guys, I'm using flowgorithm that is free to download from the internet. What is good about this program is not only that it teaches you how to learn how to use flowchart, but also basic concepts of computer programming. So we have here main. I declare a variable here. We will do double click. The name of the variable is name. The data type is string. And in here output. So the output symbol, we put double quotation, give your name, and then input, and then we pass the variable name. And then here we are the output, double quotation, hello, ampersand name, ampersand, how are you today? And then we click OK. So that's easy, no? Let us click the run button here. What's your name? Maria Jonali. Hello Maria Jonali, how are you today? Okay. So another example. Lydia. Give your name, Lydia. Hello Lydia, how are you today? Last example, Virgilio. Give your name, Virgilio. Hello Virgilio, how are you today? Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to accept name in a flowchart using flowgorithm. Thank you so much guys for never-ending support. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.